Schlage's B-Series deadbolts add an extra layer of security to your home and are incredibly simple to install. For most standard doors that have been pre-drilled, you'll have your new Schlage deadbolt installed in just minutes, using only a tape measure and a Phillips head screwdriver. To make things even easier, self-guiding screws align and snap themselves into place, removing any guesswork. And our patented snap and stay design keeps the deadbolts in place so your hands are free to secure the rest of the assembly to the door. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Schlage.